Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to install IPA files on iPhone. Welcome to our guide on how to download IPA files, an essential resource for iOS users. IPA files, short of iOS App Store packaging, contain the software package of an iOS application. These files allow users to install apps on their iOS device such as iPhone and iPad outside of the official App Store. Downloading IPA files can give you access to a vast array of applications that may not be available through traditional means. This can include beta versions of app, modified versions with additional features, or even apps that are not officially released in your country. However, it is important to note that downloading and installing IPA files can carry some risk, as unofficial source of may offer pretty malicious software. So you how to install, so you have open the Safari browser, then you have search from here IPA files download. Then option, online free IPA file downloading for iPhone, iPad at ipafile.com. Click here, then is open on your iPhone. Then some apps you have seen your iPhone screen. Search for app IPA files. You want any IPA file download from here, so you have search. I have searched the Canva. Then you have click here, and then he's given on download on your iPhone. So how can download the IPA files? Close this ad on your device. Then you have wait a few seconds, then you have click on download now, and other you have click on download now. Then he is automatically download option on your iPhone cat, and then you have IPA file download on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.